In this new war on freedom, the Dems aren't coming for your guns, they're coming for your money.
Where were you on March 9th, 2022, when President Biden signed the death warrant on American freedom? Buried in his order are a few paragraphs titled Section 4. The language in Section 4 makes Order 14067 the most treacherous act by a sitting president in the history of our republic. Legal government surveillance of all U.S. citizens, total control over your bank accounts and purchases.
Yep, that's right. Total control over your bank account and all finances.
Surely you can't be serious.
I am serious. And don't call me Shirley.
We're going to talk about this more in today's video, so let's get into it. So Joe Biden recently signed an order to explore the implementation of central bank digital currencies. And the problem with CBDCs is quite simple. They give the government more control than they already have. Every transaction you make will be visible to them. They will have complete control over your money. Governments will have power to say who can and can't use the financial system and what they can and can't spend their money on. Bill Gates and his cronies will tell you, hey, you can only buy so much meat on Tuesday afternoon.
Damn, Bill! Back at it again with the dab.
One of the biggest concerns with CBDCs is the government could implement negative interest rates. People would have to pay the government to hold their money rather than earning interest on their money. As Jim Rickards has pointed out, this would be a tax on your savings and could result in people withdrawing their money from the banking system. Another concern is that CBDCs could be used to implement a social credit system where people's financial transactions are monitored and used to determine their social credit score. This social credit score could be used to deny people access to services and opportunities based on their financial behavior or political association. This is already happening in China. It's almost happening in Europe. The solution to the problem is so simple. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a decentralized peer-to-peer currency that operates outside of the government's control. Bitcoin is a safe haven for people who want to protect their money from the negative impacts of inflation caused by the fractional reserve banking model. But investing in Bitcoin isn't always easy. It can be hard to navigate the complex world of investing in cryptocurrency on your own. That's why I highly recommend you work with a trusted Bitcoin advisor, somebody that can help you successfully navigate this market. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing so you don't miss any of the latest developments in the world of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. If you want more information or you're wanting to learn how to protect yourself from CBDCs and the global financial crisis, give us a call. We're here to be of service. Thanks so much for watching and have yourself a blessed day.